YouTube, what is up? So today I have got the Montage Kevlar case for my iPhone 15 Pro from Benks. Now shout out to Benks for sending out this case to get my thoughts and opinions on. Now I do have the 600D Kevlar that they put out earlier this year. And you know, they've made an improvement. And speaking of improvements, I sure could use your help to improve my sub count, so sub to the channel and let's get into it. All right, so I have got the Kevlar case, the Montage Kevlar case from Benks. The difference is between the 600D and the Montage case is this is a blended Kevlar. It's a 600D and 1500D Kevlar blend, so makes it just a little bit stronger. So popping it open, I always like how Benks has their little, they have the little iPhone thingy looking here with, installation instructions. But, who needs installation instructions when you got me, right? Right.
That's the fact, Jack!
Just to be, just to let you know what's going on, I've been, sporting this case for about a week now, to try it out and everything. But I do like, it's got this nice blended design compared to the 600D. And the 600D, it had the, it's got the Kevlar, mesh, carbon fiber look to it. But, this one, it's got the carbon fiber design to it, but, it's different type of styling. And, yeah, I kind of dig it. It's a full protective case. And, of course, it's has MagSafe, is MagSafe compatible. Now, it does have the metal alloy buttons, metal alloy camera ring with the Benks logo, and you've got your cutouts. And yeah, this is still has that accent, which I always dug the accent, just like the 600D. It's, got that accent. But this is a more sturdier, case, although they both, but this is that blended 600D and 1500D Kevlar. Rawr. So let's go ahead and let's weigh the case. So I got my scale here, and what do we got going on? So weighing the case, it's at 38 grams. That sounds familiar. I want to say this one is also close to 38 grams. Ooh, 39 grams. Oh, the mixture of the 600D and the 1500D makes it a gram lighter. Hey, a gram's a gram. I'll take a gram wherever I can get it.
What?
Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and let's, pop it on and see how she fits. Easily pops in there, no problems. And, it's got a nice, all-around protection, feels good in the hand. It's still, a little bit on the slippery side along the sides. But these kind of feel, I don't know. When I was carrying the Montage compared to the 600D, I don't know. This one felt not as slippery, but just by, a little bit. I didn't really have fear that I was going to, drop, my phone. Now, it's got, let's take a look around, you got the metal buttons, and you have the precise cutouts. You got a good size hole port here for your third-party USB Type-Cs, and you got this nice designed by Benks, and you also have the Benks logo here, which you did also have the Benks logo here on the 600, But I kind of like how they, you know, kept this like a black instead of the silver, which, you know, the silver was nice, but, you know, black on black, you can't go
Always bet on black.
wrong with it. And then you got the, you know, the gold, the little gold Benks here and the gold there, you know. I think it blends really well. Looks really, really good with the natural titanium. And going around the, let's see, let's check out the lip protection. Now, again, on the lip protection, you know, it's around the screen, it's not quite there, you know, it's there, you know, definitely seen thinner, but, you know, you should still be fine to, you know, set it down without too much worry. I would still like to see, you know, I don't know if they can do it, but, you know, raise the ends like here, you know, up around here, along there, and then up on the, around the footies, you know, because the thumb action through here it's amazing because you don't really feel anything.
That's what she said.
You know, if you have a little something extra, you know, here, you don't have to worry so much about setting it down. But, you know, as far as the camera goes, I mean, the camera lip protection is good. And, you know, you got that metal alloy ring around it, so your camera is good and protected. I mean, your phone is good and, you know, protected with this blended Kevlar. Now, how about the fit around the case? It's nice and it's snug. You know, there's just a little bit of pull there, but it's very tight. It's very, you know, snaps back in there. This is one of the better fitting, you know, cases. You know, it's nice and tight through here, down around the USB C port and the speaker holes. You know, it comes out a little bit, but it pops right back in there. Up top around the microphone, the speaker hole. The speaker hole for when you listen to your telephone calls. It comes up a little bit, but it snaps right back. But yeah, this thing, it's, you know, it's securely in there. And the buttons, you know, the buttons are very nice and they're tactile. No, I'm not trying to buy anything. They're very tactile. I always lock myself out every time I'm trying to test the volume. So yeah, volume up and down, very clicky. Put it next to the microphone here. One of the really cool things about this phone is there's no lanyard holes. Yay, no lanyard holes.
All right.
Let's check out the back tap. So the back tap works beautifully. And it is very easy to take on and off. There's hardly no struggle whatsoever. Like I said, I've had it running it for about a week or so, and this very slim, minimalistic type case with this great protection. And if you're interested in the Benks Montage or any of their cases, I'm going to leave a link in the description and use code ACE15, I believe is what it is. I'll double check it and put it down in the description below. But you will get an extra 15% off your purchase. All right, so how about those magnets? I've got my magnet paper here. So looking at the magnets, you know, it's got, it's got the dewdrop magnet, and it does seem to have a little bit of bloom around the magnet. Let's take a look here at the 600D. What did the 600D look like? The 600D, well, check that out. Oh, no, there's three. I thought there was only two on the dewdrop, but no, there's three. Three lines of magnets. Let's go ahead and let's check out the charge and check out the shakeage. So I've got my 160 gram little travel charger thingy here that I can set up, and let's take a look. Oh, yep, I turned it on. So popping it on there. Charges just fine. Let's shake it out. Let's see what happens. So let's check, let's see, this is the, you know, it's got a little resistance, you know, for the dewdrop. You know, we got to check out and see how the shakeage goes. So shaking it, that seems a little bit better than the 600D. Yeah, that's about a good medium little, oh God, what a flashing the light on me. Jeez Louise. Yeah, that's about a good medium or, you know, a little heavier than medium shakeage. Let's pop on the 600D and see what that was all about. Yeah, it was about the same on the dewdrop. No, you know what? I think, yeah, that's looks like that's a little bit of an improvement on the strength of the magnet. But I did notice though that it's not that big of a deal. I wouldn't think, because you're not really shaking your phone a lot, but I don't know. Can you guys hear it? It rattles a little bit. Nothing, this is no deal breaker for me. I'm kind of digging this case. And if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, why don't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel, well, that would just be swell. Peace and love, y'all.